Hello there in TV land. This is Pablo. What's your name, mister?
My name is Juan Carlos Rodriguez Gomez.
That's great.
I'm not done. Delgado Ramirez
You have pretty eyelashes.
Sanchez.
I want to touch your eyelashes.
And it,
This is animation meets alcohol.
oh my god, I did not drink enough.
You need to
I
drink more.
cannot participate in this.
Tequila, thumbs up, everybody! Yeehaw! Rock on with your bad self. Rock on with your bad self. Esa loca, darling. Hueva, we're dancing merengue salsa.
Alright.
Come on, you can knock off my stickers, damn it.
I'm like,
Oh, look.
oh, the way.
Oh, I have lost my eyeballs.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
Could you get my
All
eyeballs?
right, hold on.
Could you please get my
Oh
eyeballs?
my god, it's like the Black Cave down there. I'm
Where are
scared.
my eyeballs?
I'm scared.
Where are my eyeballs?
I'm scared. Alright. Alright. Here I go again on my own.
And I won't know.
Going down the only road I've ever known. See, now we couldn't play that on fucking rock.
You know what I'm saying? Okay.
You know, like, oh my god, like past the
Party over
touchy
here.
Pass the touchy on the left hand side.
He said,
Pass the touchy on the left hand side. Echemos pa te piti mio te me queña. Pa pa pa. Hey, we did it.
Pass the touchy.
My eyes.